If you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
This is Julie Carr Smythe in Butler County, Pennsylvania, where Donald Trump's rally has just been evacuated after shots rung out from the crowd, and the president dropped on the stage and was surrounded by his Secret Service, and two people in the crowd apparently were injured. They were in the grandstands to the left of the podium where he was speaking. He is okay, has been whisked off the stage, and the entire grounds have been evacuated at this point, and have been declared an active crime scene by the Secret Service.
Thank you.